So how's your journey been till now?
Well, touch wood, with God's grace, I've got a very good role, powerful role, which is it's and these new characters and the new family that has been added. Touch wood, it's going great, and more than anything, it's something very different which I've never done before. Like everybody knows me more to be very bubbly and fun-loving. So for me, doing the role of Alak is something really alag. Alak is alag. I have to be very stern, very straight body language, and she's a very practical woman who doesn't laugh too much. So yeah, it's challenging, it's fun.
So how's your rapport with the leads of the show?
Yeah, touch wood. I mean, that's another plus point for me because obviously I know Jennifer and Karan, and I know Gautam Lode. He's a very old friend of mine, and now he's my co-actor. So, and who plays my father, Sai Bilal. All of them, they're wonderful people. I'm really enjoying myself.
So did you meet Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
No, I have not got the opportunity to meet sir yet. I've just been busy with my work, and it's shaping up great. The response has been fabulous.
Okay. Anything about your future plans? Any reality shows if you're going to take up, or your take on reality shows?
Well, we always would love to be part of it. We've been offered naturally a couple of times, but unfortunately, because of our contract reasons, we cannot be part of it. But even if I get something on my own, would love to be part of it because I love dance.
So talking about Jhalak, your very good friend Rashid Ami, Karanveer Bhaura, they all are part of the show.
Yes.
So whom are you rooting for this time?
That's what it gets really difficult, you know, when it is when you have so many friends on the show. But I have been there. I've supported Karanveer also, but then that's what I'm saying. It's a very tough fight because the contestants are so good, and as a friend, I can give them my best wishes. Obviously, I cannot be partial to anyone. I just hope the best man wins.
But who do you think will take away the Jhalak trophy?
So far, the chances are looking good of Lauren and Puneet. Like, fantastic. I'm in awe of them. Like, fantastic dancers. So far, I feel, you know, it can also be Shaan. I feel, for me, Shaan should really win because as a singer, he has been a shock value. Never expected that a singer would do so well as a dancer. He's had a very good journey from the beginning of Jhalak, and he has been so versatile. He's done much more dances than any professional dancers. So I think it's really creditable, and if Jhalak is about non-dancers, I feel Shaan should win.
Lastly, any message for your fans?
Well, I just want to thank you guys for the fabulous response of Saraswati Chandran. I know they are supporting me, and I pray and hope that they always support me even in the future. Thank you very much guys for watching, and please keep watching my show Saraswati Chandran.